Hello.
Hello, how are
Hi,
you?
what's your name?
I'm Sultan.
Sultan. Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan, but I live in
Okay.
Saudi Arabia. Yeah.
Okay, nice. All right. I'm from the UK. My name is Amara, and my family actually comes from Pakistan.
Wow.
Yeah,
Which part
you're the
of
first
India are you from?
Pakistani I've spoken to.
Right. So how long have you been on Cambly?
This is what is it? Tuesday today? It's my third week.
Third week. Right. So
Yeah.
you mentioned that your family is from Pakistan. Which part of Pakistan they are from?
Islamabad.
Right.
Yeah.
So have you got any chances to go back to Pakistan?
No, I haven't, but I would like to come and visit one day, see where I'm from.
Right. Okay. How many times have you visited Pakistan?
Officially once when I was a baby.
Right.
Yeah, so nothing I can remember.
I see.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Have you ever visited the UK?
No,
No?
no. This is the first time I'm in Saudi Arabia. Before that, I had never been to any countries.
Oh, okay, I see. And would you like to visit another country?
Yes, I love to visit different countries, but
Mm-hmm.
because of the pandemic, we cannot go anywhere. Even
Yeah.
I cannot go to Pakistan.
Oh, is it on the red list right now?
I beg your pardon?
I thought that Pakistan is safe to travel to now.
Yes, now. But there are some conditions. Those who have got two doses of vaccination from Saudi Arabia, they can come back, but not others. Then,
You haven't
secondly,
got two doses?
no, I have got
Okay.
two doses, but the problem is that these days we do not have vacation, and
Uh,
I have to wait till June.
oh, okay. So do you not get to choose when you want to have time off?
No, because I am a teacher here,
Okay, so
and
it's
that's why I need
yeah.
to till.
Oh, you have to wait a whole nother year.
Yes.
Oh no. What about there must be other holidays in between the year, or is that not long enough?
Yes, there are, but as you said, they are not long enough. Maybe
One or
1 week.
two
Or so.
weeks.
And because of pandemic, the tickets are very expensive. So I don't want to
Yeah,
waste my
I
money.
agree.
I
Agreed.
will only get like 1 week or so. So I want to have a long vacation. Then I will go.
So you want to go for like the 6 weeks?
Yes, almost 6 weeks. Yes.
Yeah, that's a better idea. So, are you married? Do you have family there, like a wife and kids, or?
So I'm married. My family is with me. My wife is with me.
Okay, that's okay. At least you have your family here.
Yes.
Yeah,
Right.
that's fine. And what are your hobbies? What do you enjoy doing?
I enjoy reading motivational books, watching movies,
Mm-hmm.
and spend some time on social media. That's all.
Okay, I see. And what social media do you like to use? Are you on it often?
No, I don't use it a lot. I have a
Mm-hmm.
Facebook account, and that's all. Only Facebook. Yes.
Okay, I see. Yes, that's the popular one amongst most people.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And are there any questions you'd like to ask me to practice your questions?
Yeah. So, what, like, besides being a teacher on Cambly, what do you do for living?
Okay. So I work in a court, but I haven't studied law. So I'm not something exciting like a lawyer or a solicitor, but I
Hmm.
work in the administration office. So I'm an admin officer. I do all the booking trials, getting things ready for court, and prepping everything for what basically the behind the scenes that you don't see in the court.
I see.
Yeah.
So, how long have you been working there?
I've been there 3 years. In March, if I stay until March, it will be 4 years. But I want to leave before then.
So, what do you want to do now?
Um, at the moment, I am just looking for other admin jobs, but I'm not really sure what I have a like. I don't have a specific passion for something, so I'm not
Hmm.
exactly sure. When I went to college, I studied childcare and education. So I was working as a teaching assistant in schools, but I didn't enjoy how I was being treated by the staff. So I wanted to leave that career path and do something different. So in the meantime, I have just been doing this admin job and I got too comfortable. I just stayed there for ages. And now I feel I need to move, I need to leave and find
Right.
something else.
All right. Right. So, is it easy to get jobs in the area where you live?
Right now, because of the pandemic, no. Because, you know, in the past, there would have been like 20 applicants for one job. Now, when
Hmm.
you look, there are like 100 applicants for one job. So
Right.
they have 100 people to choose from. And from that 100, I probably won't have the experience someone else might have. So it's a bit harder now.
Okay.
Mm.
Right. Right. How are you on Cambly? Like, how did you get to know about it?
Oh, I was looking for jobs and because I've done a TEFL course, teaching English as a foreign language, I did that course. So then I thought, let me see if there's any online TEFL jobs I can apply for. And
Mhm.
I saw Cambly Kids come up. So I clicked on it, read a
Ah,
little bit about it.
advertisement.
Yeah, it was advertised, but it was the children's one, not the adult one. So I was like,
Right.
oh, this is interesting. Let me have a look at this. And then I went on YouTube and I did my research about it and I thought I'm going to apply for it. And when I applied for it, I realized you first have to make an account for the adult one, and then you can make an account for the children's one if you pass
Right.
the adult one. So
Hmm.
when I made the account, I was thinking actually, because it's very low pay, I don't think I want to do the children's one. I will just stick to doing the adult teaching.
Right. Right. Right.
Yeah.
So, what time is it there?
Right now it is nearly 12:30, 12:30 p.m. So lunchtime.
Right. Okay. So there
Mm.
is no much difference because here it's almost 2:30 p.m.
Yeah, so we are only like 2 hours behind you, really, aren't we? Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, so
Okay.
not that much difference. From Saudi Arabia, you mean, yeah?
Yes, Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, yeah. And Pakistan is a couple of hours ahead, I think.
Yes, yes.
Mm. Yeah,
If you just compare it with Saudi Arabia, so they are like 2 hours ahead from us.
yeah. Oh, okay, I see. So 4 hours ahead from us.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So do you call your family a lot in Pakistan or?
Yes, I often call them, and I don't get time on daily basis to contact with them, but I do call them on weekly basis.
Okay. So is your plan to stay in Saudi Arabia or are you looking to go back to Pakistan?
Actually, it depends on the employer. I want to stay forever, but
Yeah.
let's see what happens
How long have you
because
been there?
it has been almost 3 years.
Oh, okay. So fingers crossed you will stay there.
Yeah, but you know that in Saudi Arabia, there is no job security.
Oh,
So
okay.
I cannot say how long will I stay because I have seen people going in front of me from this school,
Oh,
uh, without any
notice.
notice.
Oh, that's not fair.
Yeah. So
Mm.
I came here because this is an international school. So I had a lot of expectations that maybe it is different from Pakistan because in Pakistan, things are very messed up, and even there was no job security. I used to
Oh,
work in a university back then, so I was facing the same problem. But here again, I have the
there's
same.
no security. Okay. Did you know that before you came, or you only found out when you came here?
Yes, when I came here after 2 months, I witnessed things. So there was a teacher from Lahore, I think.
Okay.
Uh, yes, he only taught for 2 months and then he was fired.
Oh
Apparently,
no.
there was a problem with the students. Maybe the students did not want him to continue.
And
So
parents always complain and whine. It doesn't
yes,
matter
yes.
what you do, parents are always complaining because they think you are only teaching their child, one child. They don't think you're
Mhm.
teaching the whole class. I know because
Exactly.
I worked in schools and parents
Mhm.
behave as if we are there just for their child.
Yes, yes, right. And
Yeah, and
sometimes they also, yes, I was telling you, sometimes they also like to boss you around to
yes,
tell you
they
what
love
to
it.
do, how to do.
Yeah,
So,
no, this is one of the reasons why I left the education system,
mhm,
because I didn't like this, being treated like rubbish, especially
mhm,
because I wasn't the classroom teacher. I was the teaching assistant who helped the teacher. So
right.
for me, my treatment, I got treated really horribly. And I thought, I'm not doing this anymore. Working with children is hard. And on top
Mhm,
of that, you're getting rude parents, rude teachers, you know?
right, right,
So
right.
I was like, I'm out. I'm leaving. Yeah, I did it
Yeah.
for about 8 years. I worked with children and young people for
Oh,
8 years.
wow, it's a very long time.
Yeah, because I didn't go to university, I started
Mhm.
working when I was 18. So from a very young age, I've been working full time. Yeah.
Excellent. That's pretty cool. And actually, I don't want to switch the
Mm-hmm.
job. I just want to continue with teaching, but maybe I do something like what you are doing, online teaching. I think
Yeah, maybe.
it is very flexible. You have a lot of time, and secondly,
Yeah.
it is less harder than the school teaching.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe it will be better for you. Yeah.
Yes,
Are
because
there any
what? Yes, please go ahead.
are there any opportunities to find jobs like that online in Saudi?
I haven't searched the jobs in Saudi Arabia, but uh, I am teaching on one of the platforms, which is actually Japan-based platform
Oh.
company,
Is
and
it called Palfish?
no, it's I think
Engu?
Palfish is from China. Uh,
Okay, Engu. Is it Engu?
yes, it
Yes,
is.
I applied for that one. But so are you working on that one?
Yes.
And what is the pay like? Because I didn't continue my profile because I thought Cambly will be fine. The pay looked very low for Engu, and with Engu you have to do actual lessons, right?
Yes, it is actually there are two different lessons. One is conversation, the
Yeah,
other is the material lesson where you have to like assist the students to read the article and ask
yeah,
questions.
yeah,
So I'm doing it for non-native speakers. It is, you're right, it is very low, 1.4. But I think for you guys, because you are a native, so maybe you will get like 3 or maximum of 4. I'm not sure.